Hey, welcome back to another episode of Goals Garage. Today we're still working on the 1930 Model A. Today we decided to tackle the driver's side quarter panel. We've already done the passenger side, so we worked out the problems that we had to face so we could show the viewers the best way and approach we could do it. The only quarter panel we could get was from a Roadster, which is much different than a coupe body. I'd like to show you the differences. One, the belt line is thinner in a coupe than the Roadster. The front's much more different. If you look at the Roadster to the coupe, see it's a double line. This is only one big single line. So we're gonna go ahead and mark this out like we did, 1-inch tape. Ran a marker across it, then I peeled the tape away. That'll be our cut line. That'll give us plenty to take away if we need to when we start mocking this quarter up. We're then going to cut this bead line right here at the bottom all the way off. That's going to let us hold the quarter panel up and see where we want to mark it to the door. I'll then mark behind the door on the back side of this and get rid of the bulk of it. From there, I'll start measuring and getting a closer fit. So stay with us. We'll show you step by step along the way. All right, so I just explained our first procedure, what we're gonna do. We're getting ready to turn this over. Gonna have Ethan cut it out for us. He's gonna put it on time lapse, so stay tuned.
So I am currently grinding down all the welds that they had and making it nice and shiny like that. So I'll do a time-lapse video of me doing that and keep you guys posted. So as you guys just saw, I cut that piece out. My grinder slipped a little bit and it went down and up, but I corrected that, so now it's nice and straight. I grinded all this so we can get something to weld to. And I grinded all this down here too, so we can weld to that. So the next time you'll see this is when we'll start to get putting the new quarter panel on.